Welcome to 954A Bush Street. This is a Bush Street retail commercial space available for lease. I think it's ideal for an office or a professional services type business, but happy to lease it to any qualified party. It's a commercial condo, and part of the condo is that you get the rights of the condo owners, which includes parking, pool use, gym use, and in addition to that, you get a prestigious Nob Hill address, 954 Bush, which is part of the Galleria complex. So here's the space. In the front, you have a tiered ceiling with some built-in lighting. And then you have fluorescent lighting, the lower portion of ceiling in the rear. It's quite large. There's a beautiful tiled floor. And your front door here goes out right to Bush Street. You can see the building. It's all very professional and nice. There's a side door. Let's take one more look at the space. And the side door takes you to another entry. This entry goes to this A, also B and C. And A and B share this kitchen break room. And there's a full bath here. The idea is this is for employees, not for staff, but the owner's interested in leasing the place and we'll try to make it work with your business. All utilities are included, as are the HOA fees and the pool, the gym, all within the cost. The big plus is parking. A space around here would easily cost you $500. It's included with the small price of this office. If you're interested, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Thank you.